reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts, insecurity, distorted flaws. It all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carried the winds, drowned out the rain. It'll make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. 'Cause who knew that at the brink of the end, life would begin again? Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. 'Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the out. You got their backs, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, oh, oh. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't
guys, so I've come to the end of this video. This is what my hair is looking like. If your hair is longer than mine, this hairstyle can definitely work out very well for you. So basically what I did was I did 2 flat twists to the back. I wouldn't have used bobby pin to hold them together if my hair was long enough at the back, but I just had to use a bobby pin to hold them down. But then when my hair got to the point where the length was enough to do what I wanted to do, I basically would just make a knot, like tie it down and then bring the 2 strands together. So that's basically it. That's basically what I did for this style. I really love how the back concept is. You can style the front however you want. I would definitely do that when I want to style my hair that way to go out. I'll definitely style it that way. But regardless of that, this is a very beautiful style. This is very nice, very simple, very gorgeous put together. As you know, I always come through with like elegant hairstyle that you would wear with your natural hair, and this is without any extensions or gel or anything. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Would you try out this style? And let me know what your favorite hairstyle from me is, because I think I should start naming my styles. What do you guys think about me giving names to my hairstyles when I'm done, maybe on the title and all of that? Let me know what you guys think about these hairstyles, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.